Following the non-fulfillment of demands by the state government, the teachers under the banner of the Meghalaya SSA School Association have once again resumed their agitational program on the 18th of July 2022 at the Malki ground, Shillong. It may be recalled that the Msssa's 4-point demands include release of 5 months' salary of February and March of 2021-22 and April, May and June of 2022-23, salary enhancement for all the 12,451 SSA teachers, more budget provision and the inclusion of all existing SSA teachers from the State Implementation Society into the Education Department. Mention may also be made of a meeting earlier held between a delegation of the teachers and the Secretary of the Education Department, Ambrose C.H. Marak, where they were informed that the Finance Department of the Meghalaya government had received the money meant for payment of their salary. However, despite all this, the SSA teachers remain unpaid even after more than 18 days of the transfer of funds to the State Finance Department. While addressing the gathering of protesting teachers, the president of the Mssasa, Aristotle Rumbai, said that the amount of Rs 44 crores and 36 lakhs, which is due as payment of salary to the SSA teachers, has not been released till date despite approval by the State Education Department. He also informed that a collective decision has been taken whereby the teachers will continue with their agitation until such time that they are able to meet the Commissioner and Secretary of Finance Department, Vijay Kumar, to further discuss on reasons as to the delay of payment of the pending 5 months' salary to the teachers.
Jin bagila thap papo state budget nginom ya kendo ya kajinge kumang mene ki thep tang ka 10% ka state share nelor kata kai ka bai sir walang ipetip sengi yang banda ka education department ngila dep le ya ka badon kam hande ka basa menta ka long ha po state finance department but ila oro yang iba i commissioner secretary jongka finance department i Dr. Vijay Kumar Imdon Shane Terala sepik janmit in sawan bakin sa siyang meeting biang lano bakin pelai. Karai kabangin pa siya ka sarkar kabade ka collective decision jang baro kinohikaya sa kalong bangin apay hangne hado bandawan pa yung commissioner secretary jang ka finance department bangin ya siyang meeting biang bado bangin soto kay kadaw ba kibatsa ya kanya kasaw po sa kror hado menta